Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy RonTrades, and we're back with another trading video, man. Today's video, guys, we're gonna be doing a day in the life of a day trader. We're gonna be doing a day in the life of my journey, my routine, how I trade. I'm gonna be doing some live trades for you guys if I see something on the market. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this video. This is some new content that I'm trying to bring to the channel. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. And excuse my voice, it is 7:23. We can get this to focus. Yeah, it's 7:23 a.m. So I just literally woke up at 7. We're going to charts at 8 right now. I'm about to go ahead and grab some breakfast, some tea, and do a little bit of meditating and things like that to make sure we're ready for our New York session. Guys, I usually don't trade New York session just because I have a job, but I'm off today. So I do get to trade New York session. Mainly I trade London session at 2 a.m. So this is not a big change for me. I'm used to trading New York a lot, but since I started this new job, I've been having to trade London session. So I'm very glad I get to trade New York session this morning for you guys. So I decided to cut the cameras on and do a nice little video. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. I'm gonna go ahead and get my food and everything cooked up. I'm gonna let you guys see me do that. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this process, man. Let's do it. Alright guys, now we got our food cooking up. Got some nice tea, some oatmeal, keep it real simple, just to get the brain flowing. So I'm gonna get back with you guys after this is done. And yeah, let's do it. Alright YouTube, we're officially on the charts right now. It's currently 7:55, so the New York opening is about to go ahead and open up New York session. I'm looking for some nice moves today. Like I said, on Euro USD, I'll just give you guys a quick outlook of what I'm looking for. So basically on Euro USD here, I'm looking for price to see if we can react to this bullish 30-minute order block that you can see here. Consistent close up candles, last down close candle here. Got imbalance to fill also, and I am bullish short term to go run the previous day high here, which is we have buy stops. We have buy side liquidity here, so it's a lot of liquidity left right here off the previous day's high. So I'm looking for price to run down here on Euro USD, run inside this order block, see if we can get some reaction here. And if we do get reaction, I'm going to enter and look to be targeting up here, or possibly just targeting these wicks. So that's what I'm looking for right now. That's one of the setups that's looking pretty sweet right now. The DXY is still bullish. So if the DXY is still bullish, I probably won't take this trade and probably just wait for another setup, or I'll just look to take a sell on it because Euro USD is overall bearish. I'm very full aware of that. But like I say, that dollar has been buying up for a pretty long time. So looking for a nice retracement on the dollar. And obviously that means I'm looking for a buy on Euro USD. So we'll see if I can get this to cook up for us. But until then, we're gonna let the camera roll. You guys can just see me basically analyze the charts and show you guys my process of how I day trade in the morning. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Like I say, make sure you guys smash a like because this is the first day in the life video, and we're gonna see what we can do, see if we can catch some nice trades today. If not, it's okay, but you guys still see the process, the routine, and what it really takes to be a day trader. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video, man. Let's do it. Alright guys, here we have US 100, NAS 100. As you guys can see, I'm looking for a sell position. We just took out sell side liquidity, and we have the breakout artist traders that just got in on a sale here. So people had sell stops right here because they're waiting for price to break this low, and they're expecting it to keep going down without retracing. I'm looking for the retracement, and this is exactly what I want to see. So we took sell side liquidity. We got the breakout artists in the market, so there's going to be stop losses flooded right here above this level. So potentially probably see price push back up a little bit inside of this range is what I'm looking for. It is currently I think it's like 8. Let's see what time it is. It is 8:04. So 8:30 is when the indices and the indexes markets really opens up. That's the opening for the indices, the futures, things like that. So I'm gonna wait for this 8:30 candle to get done. Here I want to see what this 8:30 candle finishes off at, and from there I'm gonna be looking to target here. This is daily sell side liquidity, which I can show you guys that right here. 1 second. I can show you guys exactly how that looks. Let's see, 24. So I'm basically targeting here, right here. Daily sell side liquidity, as you guys can see. Let's go over a little bit more. This wick right here, I'm targeting to clear this wick out. Off this wick, we have a lot of sell stops going to be flooded right here. Why do we have sell stops here? Where the market literally touched here and rallied up. So in a average trader's mind, they're going to think, hey, okay, if price is going to break this level, is going to keep going down, so that's going to engineer the market with sell side liquidity. So the algorithm should literally, you know, gravitate towards this level. Why? Because we're going to have a lot of sell stops flooding the market once the market touches this level. So that's exactly what I'm looking for here. So let you guys, let's say, continue to keep watching me do this thing and analyze the charts. But until then, that's what we're looking for. And yeah, let's do it. Alright YouTube, you guys can see we're on the charts now. I'm showing you guys my chart. So currently it's 9:26, so it's 4 more minutes left until the 9:30 bell opening. So what I'm basically looking for is price to run inside of this order block here. I want to see price run inside of this order block that we have right here, 1 hour order block. I'm gonna go to the 1 hour time frame to show you guys this. Make my screen a little bit more bigger. So like I said, we got a 1 hour order block here. We have the last up close candle before this nice displacement candle. So what we're doing, what the market is looking like it's doing now, the algorithm is coming back to fill in the fat value gap, knock out the early sellers as I showed you guys in the previous clip. So I want to see if we can run up inside this order block. If we do go past this order block, we're going to be running inside of this 1 hour imbalance to take out these sellers too. But I'm looking just to run the order block here and go ahead and look for a sell-off, since I'm very bearish on NAS 100 and the other indices. So we got 2 minutes left here. I'm going to be entering on my paper trading account here, so I can show you guys, and I'm actually entering, and I'm also going to be entering here on my live account, and I'm going to show you that, you know, once we're in the market. So that's what I'm looking for right now. I'm being patient right now. So we got 2 minutes left. I want to see if we can run inside of this order block a little bit, then look for a sell-off. Right now it looks like we are selling down, so I say hopefully we don't miss this entry. I'm not gonna, you know, get trigger happy or just enter or anything like that. Like I say, I'm gonna wait for price to come to my zone. If it does, we take it. If it doesn't, we don't take it. It's real simple. So yeah, let's be patient. We got 2 minutes left. You can see I'm already set and ready here for my entry. I already got my risk defined. Gonna be risking about 1% on this setup here. I'm risking about 1% here. Yeah, nice little 1% risk here on this setup. So let's see what we can do. 1 minute left into the 930 bell. I usually don't trade a 930 bell, but like I say, right now it's looking, I mean, the setup is looking good, so I have to take it. So yeah, I usually don't take trades around a 930 just because it's like, you know, obviously we all know it's real volatile, and things like that. But this is my risk right here. Is what I'm looking to. I already predefine my risk. Risking about 494. I don't want to see price come above this this swing high here. When price breaks this swing high, we're going to be running inside of this 1 hour imbalance, and it's fine if we do. But let's see, let's make sure I got it. Okay, so cool. So I'm going to be entering, because I'm going to be entering on 2 accounts here, showing you guys and trying to see if we can catch a nice setup. So we already got this placement here. I already broke this low here, so that's our liquidity.
I'm done. I got enemy.
All right, now we're rebalancing back up inside here, so we should be good to go. All right, so 3, 2, and 1. The New York session is officially open, so let's see how we trade. I want to see a quick push up here. A nice push up would be nice at this order block. All right, so we are getting near that order block here. I'm going to be taking an entry at that order block, and it's going to be, so I entered here off the block. I'm also going to go ahead and enter here on my live account. So I just entered on both accounts here. Like I say, have my SL right above this high swing high up here. And my TP, I'm going to keep my TP right about here. About 1,200 points right here at this low. Now I know I'm targeting daily sell side liquidity, but I also want to make sure I'm taking profits and things like that, just to make sure we actually securing profits here. So yeah, that's what I'm looking for. I'm in the trade now. You guys can see I'm in the trade here on my live account. Yeah, you guys can see if it can focus up. So we are in the trade on our live account. Let me show you this is a live account. Like I said, I don't want to show my information here because we got scammers, things like that. So there you go. So we in now. We just just wait now. So. Alright, you guys can see we're trading pretty nice right here on this account. Price is about to go ahead and hit our first partials. I'm gonna take partials here on the paper trading account, and I'm also take partials here on my live account also. So you guys can see, make sure we're transparent here. Like I say, I am down on this account, but like I say, it's a 10K account, so I really can't risk as much as I want to. That's why I'm working on getting funded with the 100K, so I can start risking and really, basically trading my style. So once price takes out, sells out liquidity here, I'm gonna do 2 things. I'm gonna take partials, or I'm gonna close out the whole setup, and then it'll be the end of the trading day. Because literally off this, I'm already really up right now off this one move here. So I can either hold this setup or I can either close out the whole setup. So we'll see. Break evens what we got hit at. So that was a quick what? Let's go over this setup right quick. Like I say, I wasn't expecting too much, guys. It's Monday. The market is gonna literally just fluctuate through this this zone right here. So I got in here. This is my MT4 entry. Price ran down for about 1,300 points. I'm satisfied with that, guys. 1,300 points, and that was the matter of what, like 5-7 minutes, 8-minute move right there. So now price is running back up inside of the order block here. Had this nice wick off. So price, like I say, if price goes up here and breaks all of this, we're probably going to be going inside of this 1 hour imbalance here. But that's not for me to, you know, predict. I don't predict the market, guys. But hopefully you guys seen that, hey, I actually live executed the trade. And let me just show you guys here, transparent proof. As you guys can see here, let me show it to you so you guys can see. So we got NOS 100. This is the break even setup here. 13-cent loss. Like I say, I got in some low lot sizes here. I put in a 25 lot. So yeah, it's about a $150 morning here, which is not bad for a 10K account. So about 1.5% gain for this morning, which I'm not complaining about. Like I said, this is a 10K account. I can't risk as much as I want. All right, guys. One more thing before we go, I had to come walk my dog. So obviously you guys can say this is what I do after I take a trade. Walking my dog right now. Hey, say it to the camera. Nice little dog here, guys. Like I say, this is gonna be the official end of the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, man. And remember, trade safe and take quality trades. 1 trade per day can get you up out of the market. As you guys can see, I was in the market for about 5-7 minutes when we were out. You don't have to stare at the screen all day. That's not the purpose of trading. Go live your life, you know, and do your thing. And this is the end of the video. Hopefully you guys enjoy, and we are out officially.